Good morning, Junior 6. I am Miss Fatma Abdelraouf Hamadnallah, and I will be teaching you science this year. I hope you enjoy studying with me. Today, we will start with Theme 4, which talked about protecting our planet. Unit 4 is called Adaptation to Change. This unit includes 2 concepts. Okay? Let's start with Concept 1, which called Adaptation to Survive. Before we start, I want to show you this picture. What does it show? It's a Dorcas gazelle, which lives in the desert and semi-desert areas of Egypt and the Middle East. Okay? This animal has adapted to survive in its environment, right? Okay, how? That's what we will find out together. Let's go. Of course, we know that. Adaptation is the process that helps living organisms survive in the environment where they live. We also know that there are 2 types of adaptation. 1, structural adaptation or physical adaptation, which is the type of adaptation related to the body structure of a living organism to help it survive. Examples of it: thorns on the stems of some plants, and these are thorns, the thick fur covering the bodies of animals that live in cold climates. 2, behavioral adaptation, which is a change in the behavior or actions of a living organism to help it survive. Examples of it: the growth of some plants toward light. We will study it later, okay? Some animals living in herds, and these are herds of animals, okay? Migration. We will study more details about it, okay? Migration is considered a behavioral adaptation in which animals move from one place to another. Birds are the most well-known examples of migratory animals. They migrate at different times of the year and then return to their original place, so the migration cycle is repeated. An example of a migratory bird is the steppe eagle. Reasons for bird migration. Millions of birds migrate every year to search for 1, the best conditions that help them reproduce and preserve their species. 2, different food resources. Okay? Migratory birds may face many challenges during their journey, such as 1, extreme weather conditions, 2, predators, 3, shortage of food and water, 4, limited resting sites due to key habitat loss. So, migratory birds must have structural characteristics that help them to survive during their journey more than others. Okay? Migratory birds in Egypt. The Red Sea and Nile River are important stopovers for millions of migratory birds every year. For examples, falcons and eagles. Why do many birds pass through Egypt during their migration? Because Egypt has the main factors that attract the flocks of migratory birds, such as the moderate winter climate, the area of the Red Sea that contains different environments, such as coastal environment, marine environment, mountain environment. Living organisms need basic needs to survive, such as food, water, habitat, sunlight, and air. Living organisms cannot survive if they don't meet their basic needs. Okay? So, there are 2 factors that affect living organisms environmental factors, and genetic factors, or hereditary traits. We will just take examples of them now and study them in the next video. Okay? Environmental factors such as 1. Availability of water and light. Availability of water. 3. Size of habitat. B. Genetic factors, or hereditary traits, as the body size of animals, the length of plants, the fur color of animals. That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.